What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're traveling around the world to draw the green aviator from the YouTube Kids app. So the character we're drawing today travels around the world in a solar powered airplane, but he also spreads the word about the health benefits of vegetables. Funny thing is, one of my favorite vegetables is broccoli, which is what the green aviator is. So we'll be drawing him in the center of our page with his ladybug companion on the bottom right. Let's start at the top of our page and draw two circles for the goggles. Starting on the left at the very top, let's draw a circle coming all the way around towards the bottom. I'm just going to pull that back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top of that circle, come all the way down towards the bottom, towards the same height, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now you want to connect the circles with the strap in the center. So starting on the left at the top, draw a straight line going across, come down towards the bottom and draw another line. Now you're going to extend the straps along the outside. Starting on the left side, go out, bend this down, going to round at the bottom and pull that back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out, bending that down, come down and then bend that in towards the side. Now you're going to draw the inside edge of the goggles by drawing a smaller circle in the center. Let's start from the very top, draw a circle going all the way around, and then back up. And I'll draw the same size circle on the right. Now we're going to add a glare going across the goggle. Starting on the top right, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the bottom left. Step down and draw that again. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to surround the outside of the goggles with the top of the broccoli head. Let's start on the left side at the very bottom, curve this down, and then up towards the right. Now it's going to round this out, come down, and then back up. Now we continue to add this wavy curve going all the way up towards the top of the head. Let's start back on the left. We're going to go down, round at the bottom, and just pull that in towards the side. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. Going all the way around, just mirroring this from left to right. Let's add another curve. Going up, and bending that in. Add a small bump along the top. And I'll add one large bump in the center. And go up, round this out, and then come down towards the right. Now I want to tuck the body in underneath. Along the side, draw two straight lines coming down. Just going to round at the bottom and just bend that up in an angle towards the left and right side. Now I want to step out and curve the body coming in and then down. Start on the left, coming in, just bend that down to right about there. Go to the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's connect these two lines with a straight line going across. Now from the bottom corners, you're going to round out the side of the scarf. Let's start on the left. Go out and then bend that in. And do the same thing on the right. And we'll close off the bottom with another straight line. Now on the top right, we're going to draw an angled line coming down to create a fold. Let's go back to the bottom corners, come down and in with an angled line. And round out the bottom corner of the body, come straight across towards the right, and round out the bottom right side. Now we're going to add the scarf on the right side. Starting down here, draw a straight line coming down, go over towards the right, draw another line. Just close off the bottom with a curve. Now I have the arms coming down from underneath the scarf. From the bottom corners, draw a straight angled line coming down and then out. Draw a short angled line coming down and in. And it's going to taper this so the arms get thicker coming back in towards the side of the body. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a large gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. Draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, go to the right side and do the same thing. Now from the heels, we're going to round at the bottom of the foot, going down and then up, and just bend that back in towards the outside of the ankle. From the ankle, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Now with the body in place, let's go back and add in the face. On either side, we draw 2 small circles, one on the left, and then one more all the way over on the right. Let's fill each of those circles in black. Now the nose is going to shift over towards the right. So we're going to start right in the middle with a curve going up and then down. Let's round up the side of the nose. And we'll close off the bottom of the curve going down and up. We're also going to shift the mouth over toward the left. Starting underneath the nose, bend this out, and then up. Now let's move over and draw the ladybug on the right side. We're going to start with an oval, starting down here, going out towards the side, and then back up towards the top. Let's draw 2 large circles on either side, one on the left, and then one on the right. Let's fill the inside of the head in black, going around each of those circles. And then in the center of each eye, draw another circle and fill those in black. Now the top of the body is going to sit in behind the head. So start from the side of the oval, bend this out and then up. You want to connect the ends with a half circle going up towards the top, and we'll bring that back down. Let's split that in half with a straight line coming down. Now to move on top of each eye, add the antennas going up and then out. Now just on the side of the head, draw the body coming down and bend that in, straight across, and then bend that back up on the right side. And then we're going to add 4 little legs along the bottom, leaving a small gap in the center. Go to the left, bend this down and then out. Go to the right and then do that towards the right side. Move out and do that again, coming down and bending that out along the bottom. And we'll add some spots along the top of the body. Let's start on the top left with a half circle. We'll move in and draw a full circle on top of the antenna. And then add another half circle on the outside. Let's draw a half circle on the top right. And then a full circle along the bottom. And we'll go in and fill each of those circles in black. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of the green aviator from YouTube Kids. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.